Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about your prop bolts, your prop bolt washers, your spinner, your forward bulkhead, the doubler plate if you have a tiger or a cheetah, your forward your forward spinner plate, and then your rear back plate. Now this is one that just came off this airplane, and here's why it's being failed. This hole is round, but the other ones are all oblong and they've been punched out and they're rough. You can still legally use a spinner as long as two of the holes are perfectly round, but this one was wobbling and there was a little bit of vibration on the airplane, so we opted to go with a brand new one from Fletcher. We just ordered this one in right now. The rear bulkhead, the 550-6003-505 bulkhead, is $494 plus shipping. So that's the rear bulkhead. So that's why you take care of them and you make sure you put them on nice and straight so you don't get all these punched out holes. The other thing to help protect your airplane that we want to talk to you about today is your prop bolts and where they go into the prop. Stand by for just a second. Okay, our standby is over. So now we're looking at our spinner and the prop bolts, and normally this is the washer we have. It's an AN960, and in this case an AN60 816 washer, because it goes with a half-inch. It has a half-inch bolt going through it, and these are what you have around here on the prop bolts holding them in. Stand by for the train. Alrighty, so as you can see, they get conical and they get shiny and they get worn and they're wearing. So what we've been using, Ken Blackman and I, and Ken is now gone from us, but this washer is the same basic form of washer. It's a half-inch washer, but you'll notice it compared to the size. Let me bring them up here on something that I can reference them with. And here they are side by side, so you see that this one has a much larger surface area. This is by the way, the in series of that particular washer is the MS27183. This is a -18. That's the half-inch center. The -16s are the 17/6" center, which you'll use on the Cheetahs and Travelers on the O220s. And if you have 3/8" prop bolts, then you're going to want to use the -14s of these. And then what these basically do is they sit underneath the washer, underneath the bolt, distribute the load area out over the doubler. Not a problem with this carbon fiber spinner bulkhead, but the forward bulkheads, the metal will expand and fill this hole and has to be reamed. But anyway, wanted to call out these MS27183-18 washers on the Tiger, the -16s on the Cheetahs, and the -14 on the Travelers, and on the two places that have the 3/8" bolts. So we hope you found all of this useful and informative. We have these bolts in stock at Yankee Aviation. The washers in stock at Yankee Aviation. We've been changing them out on airplanes. We had to buy them. We had to split an order of 1,000 per each kind with Ken Blackman, and so we have 500 of each one left. So again, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.